Morning, everybody. Hope you're having a good day. Today we're gonna get a little Ford tractor running and hopefully have a pretty good time. I'm in California. The flight went good, and I'm here safely with my dad. So today we'll get a tractor running and hopefully have some other exciting things happen today. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm in my grandpa's backyard. I'm just coming up to the tractor. There the tractor is. It's been sitting here for quite a bit of time. As you can see, it's a 111 series. It's a really cute little tractor. It's really tiny. It has just a little twin cylinder diesel engine. So what we'll have to do is get a battery and some diesel, and we'll probably go get some breakfast too, and some antifreeze. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, and I'll try to make it fun. So let's go get a battery, some diesel, and some antifreeze, and maybe some breakfast. Okay, everybody. This is the truck we're supposed to be driving to Kentucky, which is going to be across America, pretty much. It's pretty beat up. Needs a new battery, and the oil and transmission fluid looks good, but that's what we're supposed to drive, is a Ford F-150. So we're gonna have to get a new battery for it too. Okay, everybody, we also have this to work on. So we're just gonna put pieces together and try to get a little bit of it together.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And
Hey everybody, I did a little bit of work on that Ford truck. I put a steering column in and put a headlight in, but the battery charger is not working, so I can't really get the tractor running, but I'll try to get the battery charger running so I can maybe find the battery and charge it and put it in that little tractor and get it running. But this vlog's probably gonna be short and not really that entertaining because we gotta do a lot of cleaning and there's nothing really fun about that. So I'll try to do something fun, and we'll try to get to that tractor and do some fun stuff. Soon my aunt will come over and hopefully we'll do something fun with her. Hey everybody, I just got some pretty good news. My aunt, she has found a battery charger at her house, so hopefully she'll bring it over here. We can charge the truck's battery and hopefully get it running, and then go to Walmart and get another battery for the little tractor and get some gasoline and some diesel, and get the little tractor running, and hopefully it'll work out. So I'll vlog the rest of this video when my aunt comes. Everybody, my aunt has come back, and now we're going to lunch because it is lunchtime and we're really hungry. So, and then we're gonna go buy a battery and some other stuff for that tractor and for the truck. So when I get back, I'll show you what we got. Okay everybody, we have a battery, starting fluid, and some coolant. And I'm walking to the tractor and we're gonna put it in. Hello everybody, so the little tractor, I don't know what happened to it. I was trying to videotape but my camera died. Pretty much we put the battery in, my dad put some ether in the carb, and then what happened was I turned it over, it fired, and then something sparked underneath of it, and I've been looking at it for like the past 20 minutes and I do not know what happened. Okay everybody, I know this was a short vlog, nothing really exciting happened, but tomorrow should be a lot more entertaining and excited. It's just gonna be my dad and I. We'll get that tractor running, and then we'll do a lot more fun stuff hopefully. You guys are awesome. Thank you for watching my video. Please stay tuned for tomorrow. It should be a lot better, hopefully, and the video should be longer. You guys are awesome, and I will see you tomorrow.